Hi, Pro-Economic Globalization Group. I like your presentation. I think that your presentation has several positive points. One of them is that in your introduction part, you include definition of globalization. This is very useful for people without economic background. You also stated that science and technology are two main parts of globalization. I totally agree with this point of view. And also, QL presented his argument that poverty reduction and improved economic status of women is the result of globalization. I think this is a very good point. And then Sasha presented her argument that the rise of the China is a part of globalization as a result of globalization. I'm not totally agree with this point of view because I think that globalization brought also a lot of negative effects into the China. But I like how Sasha mentioned her personal story to prove her argument. This is very good technique. And then Rio used examples of NAFTA to show that globalization, even local globalization, brings very good results for countries which participate in globalization. And then he also mentions that countries which not participate in globalization, like North Korea, they suffer. And I guess the reasons for this are a little bit more complex, but overall, this point of view is correct. And then Jan made very good conclusion because he said that globalization has several negative effects like gap between poor and rich countries, but globalization itself can solve this problem. Without globalization, without international organizations like World Bank and IMF, it's impossible to solve this problem. Yeah, I think this is the best point in your presentation. Like, we can never say that some things are totally good, some things are totally bad, and making point that there is some good and bad features is very important. Good job, Pro Economic Globalization team.